百变云朵是从哪里来？带孩子了解神奇的自然现象吧。
Dino looked up and saw clouds of all shapes.
That one looks like a bunny. And that one looks like a space.
Have you ever wondered where clouds comes from?
We explore together.
小恐龙说：“我们一起探索。”你是不是也喜欢和朋友一起发现新东西呢？
Let's find the cloud factory.
云朵工厂听起来好神奇。你觉得云真的是在工厂里做出来的吗？
Clouds are made of tiny water droplets. When the sun heats water, it evaporates and rises up. When it cools down high in the sky, it becomes a cloud.
But today, no new clouds were forming. The lake below was covered with a strange film.
If the water can't evaporate, no new clouds can form.
We need to clean the lake surface so water can evaporate freely.
The film is from fallen leaves. Nature will clean it, but we can help speed it up.
Help us, say, clean the lake.
小恐龙邀请你说 "Clean the lake"， 准备好了吗？1、2、3。
准确度可以做得更好哦。Help us, say, clean the lake.
小恐龙邀请你说 "Clean the lake"， 准备好了吗？1、2、3。Frogs and we can push the leaves to the shore. Jump, jump.
We explore together.
小恐龙说：“我们一起探索。”你有没有和朋友一起发现过有趣的事呀？
Water, sun, and sky work as a team.
水、太阳和天空都在合作，大自然里的每个部分都很重要，对不对？ Soon the lake was clear. The sun shone on the water, and steam began to rise.
Look, a new cloud is forming. That's the water cycle. Water goes up, clouds come out.
小恐龙邀请你说 "Water goes up, clouds come out"， 准备好了吗？1、2、3。
发音可以做得更好哦。
A beautiful new cloud, shaped like a dinosaur, floated across the sky.
That cloud looks like me. Today we learned about the water cycle.
We explored together. 哇！大家一起说 "We explore together"， 真棒！我们今天一起学到了好多知识。故事讲完了，正在生成学习报告。太棒了！本期学习完成，期望写板解锁更多互动挑战，获取真实奖励吧。